Hi guys, welcome back to another video. We're going to be trying Skittles.
Skittles!
We're mostly doing wild berry and the collagen ones. I also grabbed the bag of original in case these are gross.
My idea.
Okay, collagen or wild berry first. We got more collagen ones.
Wild berry first. Yep, you should organize them in colors.
Yes.
That's like the best thing.
If I can get the green one out.
Come on.
Stuck.
Ew.
Maybe not that one.
Yeah. That's yours, just kidding.
Why am I eating the bad one? Strawberry, melon berry, raspberry, wild cherry, berry punch.
I wonder if you can go on Skittles.com and show you all the flavors.
Yeah. Okay. Raspberry is the blue one. Wild cherry is red. Strawberry is magenta.
These ones.
Okay. And then berry punch is purple. And then melon berry is green.
Yep.
So what do you want to do first? The purple ones?
Yeah.
Okay, which is berry punch. Okay.
Woohoo. Tastes like a Skittle to me.
Yeah. Not a fan of that one. I don't like it.
I mean, it's good, but it's just a Skittle.
Yeah. And since we have a lot of pink ones, you want to do pink next, which is strawberry.
Isn't this a pretty color? I think it's pretty.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, the
swatching.
Look, it's the same color as my hand. Just kidding.
I don't like it.
Do you need a spit cup?
No, got a garbage can. We threw our spit cup out.
Oh yeah.
I
think it's funny whenever I watch her videos back. Like I always see her like. I think it's funny.
Yeah.
I done it once, but it's
Yeah.
still gross.
You can have the rest of the pink ones because I don't like them. Yeah, we got way too many pink ones in that.
Wait,
And
next.
wild cherry, red ones. Swatching.
This is fun.
Yeah.
Look what we got, guys. Skittles.
I like that one. Grab the spit cup.
I mean, it's okay.
The aftertaste,
like-
the aftertaste
Just like
is
gum,
better. Oh, the aftertaste
like a
is
cinnamon
slightly
gum.
better. I slightly taste banana, and the aftertaste.
Banana.
I don't know why, but it tastes like banana. Blue raspberry.
Total. I don't know why we're
Beauty
doing
gurus.
it. Just
Okay,
'cause it
today I'm gonna be swatching this blue Skittle.
There was too many YouTube videos today. Guys, look what we're trying today.
Blue Skittle. I'm spitting out.
I try not to spit it out.
I hate it.
Don't have to, but
I hated it.
bad raspberry.
Mm,
You don't like raspberries anyways, but
it was gross. This is melon berry. What the heck is melon berry?
a berry and a melon together.
Oh. Well, that's what they look like.
Oh yeah, guys, look.
I totally stuck a green one in my mouth.
This is the one that was
Okay.
stuck in the package.
Yeah. I hate that one too. That was disgusting. I hate it. It's a weird flavor. Spit it out. Get a box. But that's disgusting. Green ones are terrible. I'll
Like
throw
a
the other
mix- It tastes like an apple, but it wasn't supposed to be an apple. It's
the
supposed to
melon berry.
be melon. Ugh, how
It's
gross.
gross. I threw out the package. Don't know where it went. But
Beautiful. That what kind was that? That was the wild berry ones.
yeah. So I like the strawberry ones. No wait. I like the wild cherry ones the best. And then I hated all the other ones.
I like
What do I?
the pink ones.
The strawberry.
Is it strawberry?
Yeah, strawberry.
Yeah, strawberry.
How is this magenta? I thought magenta was more purpley.
You want the last one?
Sure. You know I hate it. Next one we're trying is the candy Skittles.